This is the black rhino. His hearing is good, but he does not see very well.
Look at that horn. Is he dangerous?
Not if you are careful and treat him with respect. If rhinos get scared, they can charge.
Charge?
Yes! When a rhino's alarmed, you can get harmed. So stay out of sight and you will be all right. I'd better see what is going on. Wait there.
Coco, I don't like this. We'll be fine. The rhino can't see us with our camouflage. See? Told you.
You?
Isn't he amazing? I can't believe we're so close.
Squawk! Squawk! Koko! Brewster! Hello?
Shh.
Are you here?
Yes. Shush.
Look, isn't my camouflage perfecto? Squawk! 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 Squawk!
Wilson, no.
Squawk! 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 Who's a pretty boy then? Who's a pretty boy then? Ah! Oh no!
The monkeys have settled down.
Yeah, the giraffes too. Any idea what could have spooked them?
It is a mystery.
Phew! Oh, bumpers!
I wonder how young Windsock's getting on. Whatever are they feeding that bird?
What? Squirt, 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 squirt! Oh no! Move along, please! Move! I mean, shift it! Oh, bumpers! Those tubs aren't worthy of Frostini's mark of excellence. Phew! At least it hasn't started to label. Oh, big bumpers!
Oh, that's not pumpkin ice cream.
I know.
But the label says it is. Uh-oh, you shouldn't have said that, Toot. Said what?
Label! Oh no! Shift!
I don't think they can go to the festival.
Don't worry, the wagon's not there anyway.
So where are they going?
Oh, big bumpers!
Back to work. I hope nothing else will stop me from making my new flavor.
Frostini's gonna blow a gasket. What was I thinking? I can't be in 3 places at once.
With our help, you can. Wilson, you do the mixing. I'll watch the tubs fill, and Hoot can label.
Oh, thanks, you two. I'm sorry I wouldn't let you help earlier.
That's okay.
I wanted to be Frostini's only assistant, but I should have shared the work.
Yeah, 3 chugs are better than 1.
Stop!
Hey, what's that?
Oh, wow, a new ice cream wagon!
No, behind it.
Rattling rivets. Looks like smoke signals.
But all of the steam engines are here.
Then someone's in trouble.
Oh, it's Hodge.
Eddie! Zeffy!
Oh, are you all right, mate?
Yeah, I broke down. I didn't think you'd ever find me.
How could I miss those steam signals? Good thinking, Hodge. I'm proud of you. Oh, looks like you've lost a lot of coolant there, mate. Hey, but don't worry. Eddie's rule, keep you cool. We'll tow you to the show.
It's probably all over now.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for. this season's must-have wagon, as demonstrated by Harrison.
Splendid.
As demonstrated by Harrison.
Where is he? Harrison.
Why are we waiting?
Harrison, you're off.
Not till you apologize.
Fine. I'll model the car myself.
Oh, no, you won't.
Works every time.
Over here, Hodge. We saved your track.
Thanks, Zeffie.
I can't believe you nearly didn't make it.
Me neither. So what was the star attraction?
Dunno. They haven't unveiled it yet.
Oh, terrific.
Harrison's done a disappearing act.
And finally, introducing a revolutionary high-performance passenger carriage with an ultra-responsive secondary air suspension system, the Super Glide 100.
Just a bit hot. Oh, this weather doesn't agree with me.
25 seconds remaining.
Come on, lights! Change!
Morning, Chatsworth.
Good morning.
Oh, I can't start at level 1 again. I just can't.
15 seconds remaining.
Oh, no!
Jump the lights, Coco!
My coupler.
Go, Coco! Go, Coco! Go, Coco!
3, 2, 1. Level 3 complete.
You! Train-tastic!
All right, don't worry, everyone. We'll close the line and get it cleared.
That track looks damaged, Eddie. I think it needs replacing.
Yeah, you're right, mate. How did this happen?
Coco shot through in front of me.
Coco? Oh, no.
I need to be towed to the repair shed. I can't possibly drive myself. I'm in shock.
You better take him, mate.
Oh, my poor coupler.
Coco's never taken this long to find me. This is the best hiding spot ever!
Hodge? I don't know what's happened to Coco. Could you tow Pete back to the depot?
Okay.
Vibration! See? That's how you demagnetize things. If we could just shake you hard enough.
No, I'm getting dizzy.
It's not working, is it?
Sorry, wind farm.
Perhaps you'd better go and see Morgan.
All done, Coco.
Train-tastic! Where's Wilson? He's still got time to practice. I'm back. Wilson? Yeah. Come and get her!
Look, Brewster, what a cute puppy.
Oh, where?
Tag, Zeffie and Hodge are here.
Oh,
Yippee!
I feel sick. Oh, it's not working.
Sorry, Wilson. Maybe it'll just, wear off.
Oh.
Special announcement. Brewster and Emery are top taggers. Chuggers are advised to keep their distance.
Let's get him, Hodge! Chugs away! Emery, Bee's calling you.
Huh? I can't hear her.
Tag, you're it!
Oh, not fair. Wait till I get my wheels on you.
Woohoo! You'll never catch me! There must be something that could really shake me. It would take an earthquake.
Attention trainees, the storm maker has now been repaired. Advanced training will recommence tomorrow.
Of course, that's it.
Honk your horns!